So for us, esports is playing video games competitively in a team atmosphere. We started as a club and we've jumped it up to a full team effort in an attempt to become state champions in one of these esport games.
I've been on the team since November of 2019. It's been a long journey and a lot of stressful times, but it was definitely a good decision.
The High School Esports League had an event where we could sign up to win an esports lab. And by that, what they meant was we had a chance to win 5 gaming computers that the kids also had the chance to build themselves. So we are talking about not just being handed PCs, but the experience of actually building and understanding the components that make up the tower of their computers.
And William Fleming's team was one of 25 schools that won.
And then you're gonna see where that triangle is on the silver part and unlatch this processor slot by pushing down and pulling out.
It means everything in the world to be here for me today because I have always wanted to build my own computer and I've been looking to build parts and I've been learning as much as I can about it.
Oh my gosh.
I'm not sure if I'll be able to describe the feeling of just building something from start to finish and then playing on it.
And then I push it down and twist it in the direction it says. Yeah, push it because you want to make sure it's through the hole.
Like, I feel like everybody should buy a PC, their own, and build it because I don't feel like the experience can be matched compared to just buying something that somebody else built.
The kids are not only going to see the value of getting to sit there and play a game, but they're going to get the experience of understanding why the game works on the system they're playing or why it doesn't work.
And then you're gonna place this graphics card with the gold teeth, the short side going in the short side, the long side going in the long side, and press it in until you hear a good click, and these are aligned on the outside.
Which then gives them the ability to make tech decisions on how to improve their own machines at home and potentially find a spot or a new niche that they're good at.
I'm not even sure if we have a graphics card, if I'm being honest with you. We have a Lenovo ThinkStation. It has like 16 gigs of RAM and pretty sure an Intel i7 or an i5 processor. And it's not the 1000 series, so it's not like super fast. We just ended up with those PCs and we used what we had to play the games.
Oh, this is so much better.
I'm looking forward to using these PCs because there's actually good components and it'll be better than, using my old Xbox.
This is the first time ever for us that we've had a chance to build PCs. It's my goal that as we go further, this is something that we would do as a summer program, so that as we raise money throughout the school year, we would build parts and then we would host some type of event over the summer where our team's players would kind of be the kids running the camp and middle school kids and other kids could come up and learn how to build the PCs. I am excited to see these kids who I haven't seen most of the year get in there and actually build PCs. The concept is just too cool.
Let's go.